Hello, welcome to this demonstration for Cardstock. Today I'd like to make for you a gorgeous card using the new stitched and pierced scallop nesting hearts die set from Cardstock, available from www.cardstock.co.uk. The item number for these is DIOB 0375. All the details will be below in the description box. The dies themselves, you get 4 dies and they're just so pretty. They've all got the scalloped edge, and then the range, every other one is the stitched or the dotted, which it's called pierced design around the edge. So I'm going to make something for you that's just slightly a little bit different, and I hope you like it. So I've got a card base that's got the scallop design on 3 sides. And the first thing I've done is I've die cut a large heart using the largest of the dies in the packet. And this is just in a general paper that's got a very pretty rose pattern on it. And I'm simply going to position it onto our card slightly above the base so that it just sticks over at the top a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is add a piece of ribbon that I've already got tape on to go across the bottom of our heart like so, and I'm just going to trim it at either edge just to neaten it off. There we go. And the other side. There we go. And then to go over the top of the ribbon, just to hide where the tape is, I've got a double edge of paper and cardstock. Again, I'm just going to trim the edges away just to neaten it up. There we go. Next, I've taken one of the dies and I've cut out one of the larger hearts in a red cardstock, and I've got the double-sided tape on the back of it just for quickness, and I'm going to position that through the centre of the larger heart that we had on the card, just peeping over the border at the bottom. Next, what I've done is I've taken 4 of the smaller hearts and I've die cut them, and I've started to fold them through the centre like so, and using a bone folder to make sure that I get a good sharp edge along the fold like that. There we go. I'm going to use a tape pen, and on one side I'm going to add the tape and then one of the hearts on top of it, and then I'm going to do the same again, little bit of tape, add one of the folded hearts, building up all the hearts together and keeping them edge to edge, and then I'll just pop the last one on. At home you'll be able to add a little bit more glue, I'm just doing that for quickness really. So then we can open it up and we've got the hearts in a 3D style. So then I'm going to add a little bit of tape at either side of my heart, and then I'm going to position it through the centre of my card like so. And it will fall flat to go in an envelope, but then when it's taken out, that little centre will pop up again. Then I've got a little red bow that I'm going to just position at the top, and that is our card finished. A pretty card using the gorgeous nested heart dies. I really do find them pretty and they will be so useful. So I hope you've enjoyed this card making presentation. Please check out all the other videos for Craftstash and the products on the Craftstash website. We love hearing from you, so feel free to comment, and I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.